Hey guys, this is Ronald from
What you talk about, Willis?
Product Reviews and Affiliate Training. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be bringing to you guys some really good affiliate market training from some of the top affiliates that I recommend. And I'm pretty sure it's going to benefit you too. And also I'll be dropping some nuggets and some of the things that have helped me out and helped me build my lists and things like that to help me make money online. So I just wanted to present myself, and again, welcome to my channel. To better assist you guys, tell me please, what areas are you struggling with? And click the link below and let me know, and I'll make sure that I provide you with good content, good videos that will help you through this affiliate journey. Okay guys, that's enough talking. Let's hop straight into this video.
The system will sort the results accordingly. If you only want to see the sellers who are online right now, turn on this filter. Choose the percentage of ratings with sales reported by buyers on the 30 latest solos. Select the minimal number of positive ratings the seller must have. Specify the niche in which the seller performs best. If you don't see your niche, select the closest by meaning. Review the results you have. Everything here is pretty simple. The name of the seller, a short bio, price per visitor, percent of got sales ratings, and ratings from all the solos this person has sold on Udimi. At the bottom, you can see the latest rating this seller received. Pick the most appropriate seller and click the box. At the top of their profile, you will see the seller's country and city, local time, and all ratings and awards. You can directly message the seller via the message button, or use options to add this person to favorites or to block them. Below the order form, you will see average traffic stats from the latest 30 solos of this seller. Scroll down the page to read the seller's ratings from buyers. All ratings you see here are from Udimi solos only, and negative ratings are non-removable. Ratings are divided into two categories: as seller and as buyer. By default, you only see seller ratings, but you can switch the radio button to see buyer ratings. Positive ratings on Udimi are divided into three types: positive and buyer has sales; just positive, buyer doesn't track sales; positive, but buyer has no sales. You can filter the ratings you see. For example, to see only positive and no sales ratings, click on the red icon. Other buttons will fade, and you will see only the selected type of ratings. To see only negative ratings, click on the thumb down icon. This button is the orders where a seller failed to deliver all visitors within the 100-hour deadline. These orders are automatically refunded by Udimi. Here you will also see all negative ratings that have been hidden after the seller gave a 100% refund to the customer, despite delivered traffic. As we mentioned earlier, negative ratings on Udimi are non-removable. You can even see detailed delivery statistics of any order. Just click on the link at the bottom of the rating box. When you are ready to buy, jump to the order form. At the top, you can select the number of visitors you need and the date for mailing. Below, you can see a slider as an alternative way to select a number of visitors. Maximum number of visitors depends on the seller and clicks availability on the selected date. Below the visitors slider, you can pick traffic filters that will be automatically applied to your solo. Base filter is always included on all orders and cannot be turned off. Prime filter is an optional feature and costs 3 cents per visitor. It saves you more money, and we recommend you turn it on, but that's up to you. With only top tier filter, you'll get only traffic from wealthiest countries. This filter adds 10 cents per visitor, and we suggest taking a look at average percentage of top tier traffic this seller has. You can see it on the map. With the only mobile filter, you will get traffic only from mobile phone users and tablets. This filter adds 10 cents per visitor. With the no mobile filter, you will get only desktop traffic, including laptops. This filter adds 10 cents per visitor. Okay, now put your link in the next field. If you have ad text, even better. Tick the I have ad text box and insert it into the text area. The system will automatically save your ad text or link in the ad text area. On the next order, it will automatically insert your previously used ad text. Your ad text must have at least one link. You may have as many links as you wish, but only to one website. If timing of the solo is not very important to you, then keep this checkbox on. If time is very important, uncheck this box and select the exact mailing time. Now you are ready to order. At the bottom, you can see your order total and the average time it takes for the seller to accept a new order. Click Add to Cart, and the order will go to your cart. If you wish to buy multiple solos, it is a good idea